Some people love this year, some people don't like it. This is a 59 Chevy. It's got the cat eyes on it. I love it though. I mean, I really love this year. It's really cool. One year, I mean, Chevy was coming out different styles pretty much all the time. I mean, every year, even with clay mock-ups and everything. They had no computers, and see the interior on this is you notice the touches on that, the silver piping, the gold piping, the chrome piping, the insert in the seat. It's amazing the kind of styling and development and engineering they would come up with without computers. It's just pure work. This is you know, the cat eye styling that it's 1 year only. Pretty damn sweet.